Hey friends, welcome to a new kind of video where my shopping addiction moved on to makeup and not clothes, so fun. Today we have a haul and it's a makeup haul. We got some goodies here. Got some pretty good stuff. I don't buy like that much makeup because I don't wear that much makeup, but I've been wanting to film more makeup videos, so if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to do that. So let's get into it. Make sure to follow me on my socials while you're at it because I always keep everyone updated on there. So we're kind of just going to go through some random stuff. First off, I got this Maybelline highlighter because everyone says it's the bomb. And then I also got this Maybelline concealer because I use this concealer like every day and I'm out of it, so I kind of need a new one. My friend for Christmas got me some cute little goodies, so I just put them in here because they're makeup-y. She got me some Ardell lashes, which these are bomb. Thanks, girl. She also got me a mini Pixi Glow Tonic, which I've been wanting to try. Honestly, I don't even know what it is. Exfoliating toner, but I've been wanting to try it because I heard really good things about it. And then she also got me this Burt's Bees Pink Grapefruit moisturizing lip balm, which I love Burt's Bees and their lip balm works really well. So thanks, Iris, love you, excited to use all these. Ulta had some sale. They had the Lancome Hypnose mascara on sale for like $10, like the full size, and I got the very last one and I was so excited. I heard Lancome mascaras are really good, so I wanted to try this out. I've been looking for a good mascara that's not waterproof because usually I wear the L'Oreal Pink Tube Paradise one, but I have to use waterproof or else my lashes are like so I use it, but then it's so hard to take off. It's freaking annoying. Next off, so much stuff. I got a pack of these little baby body butters. What a tongue twister. These are like my favorite, and then having minis is perfect because I need one everywhere. I need one in my purse, I need one in my car, I need one in my backpack, I need one in my room, I need one downstairs for when I watch TV because I'm always dry, and these things are amazing. Even if I'm not using them, just having them to smell them is awesome. I live for these. These were on like mega sale at Ulta. They came in like a pack of 3. I also got these sponges. Look for them at Marshall's because you can get big packs of them, and this was like 12 bucks, which is a steal because they're usually like $5 or $6 each. Deals, 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 deals. Plug, plug, plug. I also got this mask and this mask. I had 2 of these and I used one and I really like it. Thumbs up for that. I just got these from Target, I'm pretty sure. My skin was super dry and I was like, it needs some help, so I went to Target and picked these up and I used it like this one once and it really helped, so I'm excited to use it again. This one is like a night mask, so I haven't tried this yet. I don't really know how night masks work. I'm a little scared. We'll see. We all know your girl loves Burt's Bees. I got 2 more lip balms apparently. I think I stole one from my mom, and then I also got this hand salve. This is like my favorite lip balm. It's so good. And then hand salve, I need it because my cuticles nasty, let me tell you. I got my nails done. The lady was probably like, this girl needs help. I also got this from the Body Shop, and this is a hand cream, and then this is a lip like cream, which is basically lip balm. It's strawberry. The strawberry one smells so good. I live for this. I needed hand cream because hands are freaking dry and cracked. I also picked up this because I'm really impulsive and I was watching a like YouTube video like best of 2018 whatever makeup something, I don't know. I was watching it and this girl was raving about this, the Glow Down by Maybelline, and she said she uses it. I forgot if she uses it as a highlight or as eyeshadow, but either way I think I'm gonna try it as like highlight for my eyes, like under my brow bone and like in the inner corner or something, because I'm trying to spice things up, you know. Wear a little eyeshadow once in a while because I never wear eyeshadow. Got this and it was like $1 or $2 or something. Oh my god. It's okay, guys. It's alright. I also got this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil because the same girl was raving. I think, I forgot her name. It was like $5, but it was on sale because Ulta deals. It's like the really thin. It's supposed to be kind of like a dupe for the like Anastasia one. And the Anastasia one's freaking like $20 and you use them up in literally like a day because they're literally 0.2 freaking, it's like so skinny, you know? Now onto some high-end stuff. I went a little bit crazy, guys. I have gift cards here, so I was like, yeah, I'll just use them up, you know? I forgot. One more thing I got from Ulta is this Buxom lip gloss. It's open and I actually don't know where my lip gloss went, which is really tragic because I freaking love this lip gloss, but it's like the plumping one, and I love how plumping lip glosses feel because it's like tingly and it just feels like your lips are doing a workout. I got this in Sandy. I've also been loving lip gloss. Lip gloss is the move. Now we're on to Sephora. So first off, I got this Laneige moisturizer. I've heard very, very good things about this. Very, 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 very good things about this. Did I buy the wrong one? I think I bought the wrong one. Oh my god, I'm sad. Okay, well, I thought I got the moisturizer, but this is a water sleeping mask. You know, I gotta go research this. I'll figure it out. I'll get back to you. And I feel kind of dumb. I'm hashtag embarrassed. This is Champagne Pop. You're probably like, Melanie, you bought literally 3 highlighters in this video. I know, okay? I have a problem. But look how cute. It's like, it was an ornament. Like, that's adorable. And it's a mini, so it's okay. I like buying mini things because honestly, I don't wear it enough to like use it up anyways. And then I got this, and this is a freaking good deal, okay? So first off, the mini hulas at Ulta or Sephora are $16. This comes with a mini hula for $15, but then you also get a full size Bad Gal Bang mascara and a mini professional.
What a deal, guys.
I wasn't actually expecting anything from the mascara, but I tried it out and I actually really, really like it. It's one of my faves now. I've been wearing it on the daily. I'm gonna start wearing bronzer because I look like a pale, dead person. And onto my last bag, finally, because I am choking. Oh my gosh, look at that. I found my lip gloss. Love it. Let's give my lips a little workout right now. No mirror makeup challenge, am I right, ladies? I probably did a really bad job because I cannot see right now. Sucks. Deal with it. 2 things left. 3 things left, okay. First off, I got this Anastasia Duo because I use this brow gel every day. Love it. But this was also a freaking steal because this was like $25 for the brow gel, a full-size brow gel and a full-size eyebrow pencil, and they're both like usually like 20 bucks each. I have no clue how on earth they I like the pencil, I just think it's a ripoff, but since it came together, I was like, yeah. I also got the Laneige lip sleeping mask because in the winter, my lips are freaking crusty. They are disgusting, guys. Very excited to use this. I probably shouldn't have bought this, but I thought the packaging was really cute. And you know how at Sephora, you have to walk through that long line of stuff before you buy it? Yeah, I hate them for that because that's the reason I bought this stupid lip balm, except it's actually not stupid. It's cute. I love watermelons. So excited. That was my, I was gonna say little, but it wasn't very little. So that was my makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see some makeup videos, because even though I'm no makeup guru, I like doing makeup, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!